Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Bree. I had such great insight early hours of this morning that I wanted to share or remind fellow practitioners of self-healing that we can really learn from observing our dream state. If we pay attention to how it all works there in the dreaming state, the relationship between our thoughts and dream matter, how the dream matter is responding to our dream thoughts, emotions, and intentions instantaneously. I was consciously exploring this phenomena this morning, watching my dream, and it reminded me of the paranormal abilities experiments that I do. Now, for those not familiar with me or the channel, I practice paranormal abilities experiments, which is a standard thing to do if you're on the path of Zhineng Qigoing, because it develops your ability to govern your body and mind and qi at a whole new level, and is a tool to explore consciousness and reality. Anyway, I noticed that the dream state felt like that moment of instantaneous response of matter to my intention that I practice during the experiments. For example, bending a metal with the mind, that moment when directing the qi spoon that I know is qi, directing it to bend, to become soft enough to bend, and that moment where the matter responds to the direction. But in the dream state, it's a whole more refined level of efficiency. I then, while in the dream state, thought about a particular healing project that I'm working on within the body, and I had the thought that I'm going to, while in my dream, direct my dream thought to this actual sleeping body, to the region of disharmony, for that instantaneous effect. And I did that, and straight away I was aware of how superior the effect was, comparing working on the area in my usual way of opening up from the center point of tension, bringing qi in, rotating the energy, pushing and pulling through the energy, holding the harmony, focusing on the harmony that already is, being the harmony. All of these energetic techniques that we have, although they bring relief and sometimes instantaneous, what people may call miraculous results, just being able to compare to healing in the dream state, I did experience it to feel very different, much more natural, like no effort, just a natural response of matter to the thought, so naturally instantaneous. By the time I had gotten up, eaten, and gone about the daily activities, I did notice that I was becoming aware of new, related, deeper tensions that were appearing within the region that I'd been working on. And sometimes that's how it is with healing. Sometimes it's completely cleared, and other times with longer term, deeper issues, it's more of a process of taking off new layers, and each of these layers revealing insights. I received a lot of insights to blockages that I had that I was unaware of, within my mental framework system. So belief systems, being aware of belief systems and being able to recognize them and little by little let them go. Or sometimes just pop, you see it and it's gone. The point I'm wanting to make is to become familiar with that efficient relationship between thought or intention and matter that takes place in the dream state, that natural instantaneous reaction between intention and matter in the dreaming state. Because if you consciously not watch all of your dreams, but sometimes if you have a practice of developing the ability and the concentration to observe dreams, you can learn how nature works in that dream state, become familiar with the feeling and the process, and then in the waking state, induce that brainwave dream state that we in Qigong call the Qigong state, and use it, this superior quality of healing, in the waking everyday state as well. All my very best. Haola.